Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to message someone on Taskrabbit. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you recently just joined Taskrabbit. How do you actually go ahead and message someone on Taskrabbit? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to message someone on Taskrabbit, you actually do need to schedule a task with them. So for example, if we need help moving, here we are on Taskrabbit. If we click on help moving, then simply just follow the on-screen prompts. Here we're just going to select one of our addresses. Here we're just going to select another address. Now on this page here, once you select the tasker, so for example, if we select Sean G, then click on select and then schedule the move. After we schedule the task, that is when you're going to be able to message the tasker. So unfortunately, you won't be able to message the tasker until you actually schedule the task. That's just how Taskrabbit works. Now keep in mind that you could always cancel or reschedule if the schedule doesn't work and you just want to go ahead and message them. That's what I've done before in the past as well. But that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and message a tasker on Taskrabbit. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.